Hello everyone, I am Sanjana, currently pursuing BLLB from Sangam University. I would like to share my experience at Sangam University. It has a beautiful infrastructure with clean campus and greenery around the buildings. All the faculty members are seasoned, calm and supportive to us, which results in good academic performance by the students. It also organizes different educational tours for the students, and I'm really very grateful to become a part of Delhi educational tour in which I got a chance to see the Supreme Court proceedings and also visited National Women Council, Parliament, Red Fort and India Gate. It also provides us competitive classes so that we can prepare for our competitive exams with our studies. Sangam University is also a part of different national organizations like NCC, NSS and Scout and Guides, due to which I got a chance to become a part of National Cadet Corps. It also organizes different seminars by the experts of different fields, which gives a boost to our knowledge. Thank you.